Yeah, at 23 times.
Yeah. Actually, right now I am seeing that you have called. Yeah, tell me.
Sorry.
Yeah, you wanted to tell me something. You have called just right now. Actually, I have seen it.
Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's not a problem. But already I've shared the registration form. Already I've made, and in the group already I've updated, so you can have a look over. Then you can let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Already I have downloaded the Escape for Java. Already I have downloaded it in my laptop.
Mm.
So tomorrow I'll be using my laptop, and if I have any doubts, I'll just get back to you.
Okay, sure.
Hello.
Yes, Kunal, tell me.
Hello. Sir, I have a small doubt here. Last time recording is uploaded in the group, but didn't get any proper way. The group, all our voice is repeating 2-3 times also, sir.
All the voices are repeating
Not
3 times.
3-4 times. Suppose you one question will asking repeat 2-3 times also. Not
Oh,
properly.
that means the voice problem, right? The sound
Yeah,
problem
yes,
actually.
sir. So you have
Okay, let me
for
see
another
now.
people host too.
Okay, so let me see now. Actually, I don't see it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just let me open the YouTube and just see what is the problem.
Okay, you listen first, sir, then you will
Yeah.
identify. Yes.
Actually, I have seen, but it is I don't see any this actually. So just share the screen actually. Yeah, that is the right. That is the season 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I am just running now video. Yeah, actually, no, actually, the repeating was actually can count. Hello, Kunal.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, I think I don't have any repeating voice.
Sir,
Okay, then
already uploaded. I
okay,
will see, sir.
okay. If any problem occurs, then I will tell Rachel that again upload that video.
Okay, okay, sir. You have uploaded the another time also, sir. If it's possible, sir.
Yes, sure, but I don't see actually any distortion.
No, no, sir. Uh, all are 2 times. So also repeating one small question will ask 2-3 times repeat also. Our voice is echoing now, so not clearly is there.
Okay, the first 2 3 times. After that, the voice is clear.
Yeah. I have already stopped the video, but going on our video also. That is the reason, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, what we have done actually the previous session? What is the last topic we have done? I think we have started Java, right? Shovi, can you share your screen and just tell me what is the last topic we have done?
Last year we started Java, the basics like hello world and all.
Okay,
published it
okay,
again.
we have done the Java basic syntax, how to write
Yeah,
Java programs.
Let me share the screen. Just a second.
Okay, Poonam Sushma, do you understand the basic Java programs, basic Java syntax? Hello, Shubhashmita. Hello, Poonam. Do you understand
Hello,
what,
hello.
what are the basic syntax in Java?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can ask in the group also if you have any doubt. Okay, Shubhashmita, understand? Yeah. Okay, again write that previous program. Sorry.
This
I am just repeating. Then you
Okay.
will remember.
Do you have sent it in the chat, sir?
Yeah. I have sent in the chat. In WhatsApp.
WhatsApp chat.
Yes.
I haven't any messages, sir. I don't have any. This one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
this
one.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If we run that program, in line number 13, 14, and 15 will be printed. Okay, so again, I'm just repeating what will happen here. The basic syntax. First of all, we just inside the com/species global/java, inside that underscore Java, inside that package, we have just created one class that is called hello to join the Java. Whatever the name is, that class name. After that, we just write one method that is called line number 4, public void run. And after that, we have just created inside the method we have also run, but when we use the inheritance concept, then we just know that how to print it inside the another method. But just right now from the beginning, we are just keeping that method empty. That's called empty method because we don't give anything in printing statement or anything inside the run method. That's why the run method is called empty method or the null method, specifically the empty method. public void when. After that, in line number 11, that is called public static void when string argument. That is the main method. Without the main method that I literally did, without the main method, the program will not run anyhow. And after that, in line number 13, line number 14 and line number system dot period and statement in Java. And whatever you write inside the same column, inside the comma, that is the your printing statement. That means hello team, hello good evening. Whatever you write, we just it will just in the console just printing in the console. That is the basic syntax of Java. Okay, so we just stop the sharing. I am just share my screen.
Okay.
And just understand what is the back process of that Java syntax. The back process of Java syntax. Here that actually we have done already. That this is the Java. This is so first invented some microsystems, and this is the public class. Whatever we write the class, and this is the main method. PSB public static void string argument. This is the main method. Now we have understand that how the program will run. First of all, what is the back process of any Java program? First of all, in IDE I write one code. In Eclipse IDE, I just write one program that is called source code. Actually, that is called source code. That is called source code. Whatever you write the program, that is called source code. After that, that goes to the that is called interpreter. That stage, the code is coming here, and that stage is the interpreter. That is called interpreter. That is called source code actually. Interpreter. So here, whatever the source code come into the interpreter, and what is that process? Inside that process, that process is done by the compiler actually. Compiler. It will happen by the compiler. Compiler actually what happens when you write the code, when you run this code, then the compiler not understand your source code because actually your laptop or your desktop does not understand the source code particularly. That machine, that is not a machine language code. Understandable. It is understandable code by us, not the machine. It is then what the compiler do? Compiler transform the source code into the byte code. That is called here. We just type byte code. And that bytecode will transform by that interpreter. That is the interpreter that is called machine language. It will be machine language understandable code or machine language code. And that the code is built in that form, and then we see the output. And then we see the output. That is the inner process of any Java program. It is the inner process of any Java program. The source code come to the bytecode, and that stage is done by the compiler, and then the bytecode transfer into the machine language code, and then we finally get the output, which is done by the interpreter or whatever is in machine language. That is the machine language code understand, and that language code is understandable by your machine. So that is the basic Java program back process, actually, inner process of Java. So it will be the so then interviewer will ask you that type of questions that whatever you what is the inner process of that Java. So you just say I have written that code that is called source code. Then it will convert it to the bytecode by the compiler, and then it will that bytecode will into the transfer into the machine language code and then you see the output by the interpreter. That is the whole process called the Java inner process of the Java. You understand the pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Then we move to our next topic. What is the next topic? What is the there is also very important interview question, that is what is the difference between C++ and Java? What is the difference between C++ and Java? So first of all, Java has garbage collection. I have told you that the garbage collection means the unnecessary Java objects, unnecessary objects we don't want to use, we don't want to see in our system. That will automatically deleted by the garbage collection process, so that memory will be full and the program will run smoothly, or the system will run smoothly. And C++ does not have any garbage collection. And C++ is mainly used for system programming, but Java is mainly used for application programming. Suppose with the Java, we just make one app or application. Suppose in the previous mobiles, we just see small games are there with the Java made by the Java. I think you see that. So that's why Java is mainly used for applications programming, and it is mainly web-based interface. So web-based interface mobile applications made by Java, and C++ is mainly used for system programming. And Java is platform independent, C++ is platform dependent. And what is the meaning of, now the question is, what is the meaning of platform independent? Platform independent means, suppose I write one program that is for source code, and that's I transfer the source code to you, and you just run your own machine and then told me the output. So I just write the code in my system, and then you run that code into your system. So that is the three option. Java is an independent. If you run any system Java, then it will. That's why for Java is platform independent, and C++ is platform dependent. And C++ support multiple inheritance, but Java does not support multiple inheritance. So what is multiple inheritance? And talk to you later. When we start the rules concept, then we will understand what is inheritance. But just right now, in timing for the differentiate purpose, just C++ support multiple inheritance and Java does not support multiple inheritance. And now compiler and interpreter. C++ only use the compiler, but Java use compiler and interpreter. That I have already just showing that diagram too. What the compiler is doing source code to the bytecode and then bytecode to the machine language. That's why Java uses both the compiler and interpreter, but C++ use only one code, that is one thing, that is called compiler. So these are the basic example in differentiate between C++ and Java. And the garbage collection we have already discussed. I'm just giving you that giving that note in the chat box. You can copy and keep in your notes. I'm just seeing in the chat box. store. Okay, I have seen in the WhatsApp chat because it is very long, so that's why in the chat it's not supported actually. I have seen in the right now. I have seen in the WhatsApp. PPC, C++, and Java. There is the basic difference. That small kind of note actually I have seen in the WhatsApp. You can store in your notebook. Okay, we have already discussed through what is the public static void string argument. We have already discussed. So again, I'm just telling you what is public. The main method actually public static void string argument. The public is what? The public is for actually the access modifier. Public is access modifier. There are 4 type of access specifier: public, private, protected, and default. These are the 4 access specifier. And after that, these are the static. Static is a one type of keyword that I previously told you. Static is one type of keyword, and with the static, we don't need to create the object of the method. That's why we use static in the method. If you don't use the static, then we have to use the object. Otherwise, we don't have to use the object. And automatically, with the garbage collection process, that object will be eliminated from your system. Then void means nothing actually. If you just write one method, public void run, then we don't have to return that method because that method will not return it. But if you use the void, public void, then you don't have to use that return that. And main is the represent the main program that is called main method, and system.out and string argument. The last thing is string argument, and string argument is a command line argument. And our printing statement is system.out.println. That is our printing statement. And inside the println, we can print it. Now come to the JVM, GRE, and JDK. That is the next topic. JDK, GRE, and JVM. Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment, GRE, and JVM is Java Virtual Machine. These are the 3 tools in Java. When we use Java, when we use the Java library, there are 3 types of libraries where JDK, GRE, and JVM already by default installed in your system. JDK means, so first let's start with the JVM. What is JVM? So do you know what is JVM?
JVM, I guess it's converts the bytecode to machine code.
Yeah, with the that means that intermediate code actually, that intermediate.
Yeah.
JVM work as a intermediate. Yeah, virtual machine that I told you that it is actually that work by JVM.
Yes.
Yeah, that it is that process done by compiler, and that output to the machine language to that process done by interpreter. And what is the interpreter? The interpreter is for JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. that JVM, what is the working function of the JVM? JVM rule? JVM rule transform the bytecode into the machine understandable code and machine language code, then we see down. That is the work of the JVM, Java virtual machine. And another thing is term that is called JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. You can note it, Java Development Kit. It is one kind of system library actually. There are so many Java libraries there. If I libraries, there are so many libraries when you create one project. Just opening the Eclipse. Suppose this is your one project that's called HR Management System Backend. I am opening that project. That is the Maven project. Actually, the Maven is actually it is already installed the Java. If you see here that see GRT system library, these are the so many by default system library when you create the project. Already, you don't have to separate create the libraries. See, there are so many libraries out there. Let's say the default Java.SQL one type of library, Java.security, Java.SE, Java.scripting, Java.logging, Java.instrument, Java.desktop. There are so many libraries there. JDK security auth, JDK security unsupported, JDK unsupported desktop, JDK XML document. So these are the all of the libraries. When you create the project, then that GRE libraries automatically come. So that is called GRE, Java Runtime Environment. So in that environment, all the Java Runtime Environment, it is called GRE. And inside the GRE, all the libraries are already stored. And we are using the Java 17, Java version 17, that's why it is called Java SE 17. We are using the Java 17 version right now. It is called the Java 17. So these are all of the libraries consist in the GRE. That's means Java Runtime. JDK means Java Development Kit. And Java Development Kit also comes with this type of libraries. So these are the three main things: JDK, JVM, JDK, and JR. Java Virtual Machine, Java Development Kit, and Java Runtime Environment. These are the three basic things. Three pillars of the skeleton of the Java: JVM, JDK, and JR. Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment. So next, next. Okay, let's come to the Java variables actually. Okay, do you know part of the Java variables?
Anything that stores the data or a value is called a variable. So
Variable
like
is one type of content, right?
yeah.
Variable is one type of content which holds the value. Whatever the value you have stored, that will be stored in the variables. And the variable is assigned with the data type. So let's do one program, a simple example, then you will understand. Because without the example, we cannot understand the data types and variables. Okay, there are variables, three types of variables: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Three types of variable: local, instance, and static variable. So first of all, let's come to the local variable. The local variable declared inside the body of the method is called the local variable. Suppose we just created the method public void run, and inside that run method, we just write int a equals to 10. So that a is a variable and int is a data type. A is a variable. Suppose okay, this is suppose this is the method public void run, and inside the run method, suppose I am writing int equals to 10. And again, I am suppose writing string equals to 20. This is not just okay, this is string. Inside the string method, we always have to do suppose any name or any character. It will be called integer. It does not have any default value. It does not have any display value. Right. Now let's see. This is the double. When we use the decimal function, decimal means 23 point something 5660, then it will give the double. Actually, these are the variables A, str, C, D. These are the variables that he has stored the data. These are the containers. If I have storing the 10 value inside that is for the store the value. String str equals to write something, then that thing is stored in the str. And again, I am just write 2, 3, 4, 5 one kind of number, and that is stored in the C variable. And then again, I am write double D equals to. So this number is stored in the D. These are the variables. And what are the data types? So these all the variables are local variables because we just declare the variables inside one method. Inside one method block, we just declare this. So this is the local variable. And int, string, double. These are calls. The data type actually. What kind of data is this? 10 is a what kind of data? It is the integer data. Demo is a what kind of data? This is string. It is an integer. And then it is a double. And then if you just suppose long tail, the big number actually. If you write the big number, then we have to just use L, long. If you use the big numbers, then you have to use long. So these are the data types actually, and these are the variables, and these are the values declared by you. Now come to the next is local variable, and now come to the instance variable. What is the instance variable? There are three types of variables: local, instant, and static variable. Instance variables or instance variables if you declare the variables outside the method actually. Inside the class but outside the method body. That is called your instance variable. Inside the class but outside the body. That is called instance variable. And next, the last variable is static variable. Static variable is variable declared as static. Suppose in the previous example, you just write static A equals to 10, static B equals to, static in B equals to 20. The previous example you just write, and that variables are only declared as static. It is called a static. Okay. Okay, we just come one by one example so you can get understand. Let's start with the static variable. Okay, Shobik, share your screen. Yeah, I'm just sharing one first variable example. Okay, that will not print anything because you don't give any printing statement. There is the syntax actually. Just write static int A equals to 100. That is called static variable. That A is called static variable because you just declared it as static variable. Then after that, we just print void method. And inside the method, we have write int A equals to 90. And that is called, that int is called the local variable because inside the method, we are declaring the variable. And after that, inside the main method, we are declaring int data equals to 50. That is called instance variable. Inside the main method, but not inside the method, but inside the class and outside the int data equals to 50. That's for instance variable. So basically, there are three variables: static, local, and instance. Start from the very small example. Then we get it.
It's showing 20.
So 20 because 10 plus 1 is to 20. We are just printing here the C value. That is called actually instance variable because inside the class and outside the method, we are just printing. That's called A, B, C, D type of variables are called the instance variable. With good and mixed. That are also the variables. 10.0. Here actually typecasting is happening. So what is typecasting? Typecasting means you have one data type and then you transform the data type to the another data type. So I am going one data type to another data type. Transform the data types actually. That is called typecasting. And inside what will happen? Inside line number 4, the main method, line number 5, int a equals to 10. And then 6, 4, 8 equals to a, and then I am printing a and f. A is basically 10, and f is what is the float? A equals to that means 10.0. 10.0 means what? Is the float? Float is taking the decimal values. Float is one kind of data type, and float f is equal to a. So 10.0 it implies the printing step. Again, we just doing another example of typecasting. Okay, do the next one.
We need to do this for float, like bracket and def.
Yeah, bracket int f. Yeah, run the program.
Have run 10.5.
So yeah. Okay, here the first f is 10.5, and then we are printing the a is 10. So we are in a equals to basically, and what will happen? We cannot transform int a equals to a, that is to compile an error. If you go int a equals to error, then it will give nothing. It will give the error, and then it's compile the error. But if you give int a equals to int f, that means integer to float or float to integer, then it will give that. Then it will give 10.
Okay.
Narrow, I think that is from narrow custom or type custom, because narrow custom we don't have to, it will not do actually the narrow custom. Okay. Another critical example.
Okay.
That will be 20 because here you see that byte. I have taken byte. I have not taken integer. I have taken byte, line number 5 and 6. Byte A equals to 10 and byte B is 10. So that will basically in line number 8, byte C equals to byte A plus B. That is basically we have transformed byte C to A plus B. Basically C equals to A plus B. So it is for 10. Basically the arithmetic addition.
So what will happen if we remove this byte from here?
Okay, see, do that. Okay, we just try. It should come compile time.
Compile error.
See, cannot convert from integer to byte. We cannot convert it from integer to byte.
Okay.
That's why it is showing compile time. Data type mismatch actually. There's another example of data types. I give that example. That is very interesting example. And understand very well in that example. The data types.
ତମେ ବି ତ କରୁନ
And here it A equals to 10, float, B equals to 0, Boolean C means false. Boolean means true or false, and double D equals to genius equal to something.
Oh, do we have to write this D after double every time?
You did the D, then did the D. Yeah, you have right or you don't.
Okay.
After that, that is the one, that type of data types, integer, float, boolean, double, and string. After that, we are printing that variables. For example, A, B, C, D, these two. And that will print A equals to 10, B 0.4, C false, B is and S T. So there are two types of data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data type means Boolean, character, byte, short, integer, long, float, and double. And non-primitive means the inter, which is arrays and the classes. That are the non-primitive data types. The classes, you are creating the classes, Java classes, that are also the data types. And that are for the non-primitive data types. But here we are using that example that long, character, integer, byte. These are all the goes to the primitive data types. So you can note it down what are the primitive and non-primitive types. Okay, and just notes. These are the primitive types, these are non-primitive types. and each data type has default value. Each data type is default value. First, boolean means false. Character means suppose we have any character. Byte 0, short 0, integer 0, long L, float 0.08. That's why I'm telling you, you just write double D equals to something D in the right. So this is actually this is showing the default value. And last you just say the D. Okay, now come the default size. What is the default size of the boolean? The boolean is 1 byte. These are the very important interview question actually. Suppose interviewer asks you, what is the size of the int? Int means we just have to say 4 byte. Long is 8 byte. Float is 4 byte. Double 8 byte. Short 2 byte. Byte is the default size of the byte is 1 byte. Character is 2 byte. I'm just giving you that table so you can understand. Just see the table. So data type and default value and default size. Boolean is 1 byte, character 2 byte. Just remember this default size because interviewer can ask. Short 2 byte, integer 4 byte, long 8 byte. Long and double it will be 8 byte and float will be 4 byte. That is the default value of data types.
How to make a long comment? I mean, star and slash like that.
Yeah. Star and space.
Star and slash. Okay, no.
And last also the star and slash and star.
Okay.
Yes. In that fashion, you can comment on that. Alright. Okay, now there are so many operators in Java. Operator means suppose in JavaScript we just seen the different types of operators. In Java also there are different types of operators. Operator means suppose we have unary operator, we have arithmetic operator, shift operator, bitwise operator, ternary operator. Just the similar thing, just similar you just you have done in the JavaScript, in the similar thing you have covered in Java. Relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator. These are all the these all are the operators in Java. And the Java operator, what are the symbols of the operator? I'm just giving you one table. You just see as a feeling.
What does a ternary operator do? Okay. Okay, got it.
Now first come to Java unary operator. Let's come to the one by one example. So the example of unary. Yeah, just see here inside x plus plus, just click increment operator plus plus 10, it will be 10 actually. And then plus plus 6, plus plus 6 in the operator in the left, the right, the plus operator, then it will be plus plus means 12. 2 plus means plus 2, that's 12. After that, x double minus means it will go to 12, then it will be stay 12 actually. And if you then give minus minus in front of x, in the left side of it, then it will come to again 10. So that if you go that in the right side, the double plus, then it will stay same. And if you go to the double plus or minus into the left side of that character, then it will stay in the it will go back. That's called inner loop. Okay, just change the number x equal to just 20 or 30.
Yes, it is showing 20, 22, 22, and 50.
It will go and 20 years. Accordingly, it will change. Another example of it will be 22 and 21 plus a plus plus and plus. So means a plus plus means actually 10 and plus plus a is 12. So 12 plus 10 equals to 22. And after that, it is just the opposite. B plus plus means 10 and plus B plus plus is also
21.
and just to 21. This is also the arithmetic property. The addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction.
Hmm.
According to the operator, it will change. A plus B means 15, A minus B means 5, A into B means 50, and it is 2. After that, A divided by B is 0. Now come to Java left shift operator. Let's give you the example of left shift operator. That is the left shift operator. Left shift operator means suppose you have the first, if you see the first line, system will order printed 10 less than 2. That meaning is 10 to the power 10 into to the power. That means 10 into 4 equals to 40. After that, 10 less than 3. That meaning 10 into 2 to the power 3.
Okay.
The double left shift means 2, and the power will be different. The 2, 3, 2, actually the power. 20 into 2 to the power 2, and last will be the 15 into 2 to the power 4. Just to 2000. That is the left shift operator. Now come to Java right shift. Then the opposite of left shift.
This operator used so much in Java, like this two operator, left shift and right shift.
Yeah, left shift operator.
Hmm.
Two, 5 and actually it will be the right shift, it will be the divide division. And the less than means it will be left shift means it will be the multiplication. That is the difference between left shift and right shift. And the rest of remaining just now come to the bitwise operator and logical operator.
False and false.
False and false. This is the B test operator. If A equals to 10 and B equals to 5, and then I am taking C equals to 20. In line number 9, A less than B and A less than C. A less than B means A less than B is false.
So,
And A less than C, it will be true. So that
so
means
double and single and are the same.
no, it will be different. Because okay, A less than B and double and A less than C, the beta is operator, then it will be false and true, it will be false. And after that, A less than B equals to false and it will be true. The inference. Okay, the double actually the double and means the logical actually, and single means the betas. Understand? So
Okay.
the double, yeah, the double actually means the logical. It is not same. Double actually means the logical, and single and means the betas. Here we mixed up actually the logical and betas. It's also the same.
Got it.
And that double and means true and true. That is the true and true will be true. That is called the bitwise operator. That single line is called the bitwise operator. And the bitwise and what the bitwise actually, what is the bitwise operator do? Bitwise operator actually check the conditions whether it is true or false, and that return the boolean value. That single operator, if you see A greater than B, then that straight line, the bitwise operator, and A less than C. That is the true and true. That is true. If it is really the both the condition true, then it will be true. That is the beta is actually the beta is operator check the both the condition if true or false.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
tell me.
Sir, this program is another time. Sir, ask. I am not understanding, sir, this program.
Okay, you don't understand this problem.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, here I am taking in A10, B5 and C20.
Yeah.
After that, A greater than B,
B.
and double slash means A less than C. Actually the double slash means that is the logical operator.
Okay.
And the first condition is the first actually the first or the single line it will call the beta is operator. The double line means it will be the logical operator, and the first line it will be the beta is operator.
Bitwise operator.
Yeah. And the beta is operator check the both the condition, both left and right condition, both check.
Right.
But
Condition.
but the logical operator does not check the second condition if the first condition is true. That is the difference between logical and mutation operator. That is the difference.
Sir, one question will ask.
Yeah.
Sir, after complete the classes, all code send be properly, sir, and practice will easily.
Yeah. Yeah, so we just make on folder computers folder.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I will just copy from here.
Yeah.
And then the open source, is there any option open source?
We can do the export actually.
Oh, I can export, right? Okay.
Export.
Should I need to export the package or the folder?
You can export the whole project actually. That will be better. My new project. Again, export and it will go to the zip format.
All right, all right.
You can go to the general and then it will go to the zip folder. Next, come to the
Excuse me,
ternary
sir.
operator.
Excuse me, sir. Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Yeah, I mean, all you're sharing the examples. Could you please just make a folder and could you please pass on the, I mean, like group or like we can save it in.
Yeah, all the programs is sharing
In the chat box you're sharing, right?
no, not chat box, in the WhatsApp.
Okay, you'll be sharing the WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, Shovik will share in the after the session. Shovik will share in the WhatsApp.
All the examples what you have done today, right? All the main like Java, all the or till what?
Yeah, all the examples.
Okay, so then we can practice those examples and we can have.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Next come to ternary operator. The same thing we just have done just in the Java. Yeah, it will be good. Yeah, ternary operator is what? Ternary operator actually used to online replacement for if then else statement and used a lot in Java programming. It is only the conditional operator which takes 3 operators. Actually, it is a ternary operator is one kind of conditional operator. When we use the if else or the function statement, then the ternary operator will basically use.
So how's operator working? So it is asking if A is less than B, right?
Yeah, it is asking A less than B, it is the condition. Then we have to print that mean. That is that the condition is what is the value of the condition. If the condition is true, then what is the value of the condition? That is the question actually.
Okay, so if I write here in 8 and here 5.
Yeah, do this. Yeah.
Okay, the minimum value will be stored, right?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
सर एक्चुअली 5 जुलाई एंड 7 जुलाई में जो भी प्रोग्राम्स हुआ था ना वो सर सब प्रोग्राम्स नहीं है सर व्हाट्सएप में किसका लैपटॉप में हुआ था पता नहीं
July and 7 July, the previous session or the
सर और एक लड़की था ना वो ग्रुप में
Gayavel.
हाँ, उसके लैपटॉप में हुआ था शायद।
Okay, then I have asked the library in the group that all whatever you have done in the Java programs, then you will make one zip file and send in the person.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, the minimum value actually, minimum value is 5. You will find the condition actually. The condition is true, then what is the minimum value?
So with this ternary operator, how can we find the greatest among A and B? Can we do that?
Yeah, that's give greater.
Correct, sir.
Okay. You can then write max. You can then write int max and then fill in the max.
By the way, sir, in JavaScript, I was going through an operator like this arrow one. Can you explain me to later how does it work?
Yeah, okay, sure. In ternary operator, what will happen in ternary operator is in online replacement for if then else statement.
Okay.
And it is only the conditional operator which takes three operand. Three operator means this three operand means suppose we have equals to greater than or less than. The three type condition it will handle actually the ternary operator. Now come to Java assignment operator.
Plus,
Yeah, it will a plus equals to 4. A plus equals to 4, that means a equals to a plus 4. And a equals to, that means 10 plus 4. A equals to 10, that equals to 10 plus 4. That means 40. And after that, I have taken b equals to 20. So b equals to, if I b minus equals to 4, that means b equals to b minus 4. B minus means b equals to b minus 4, and a plus means a equals to a plus 2. Accordingly, that the value will be 20. Then b equals to b minus 4, b means 20, then 20 minus 4, it will be 60. That is the assignment operator. It is used to assign the value on its side to the operator set. A plus means a equals to a plus 4, and b minus means b equals to b minus 4. You can change the value. You just do the. You just change the value of it. Change the value of a b. A equals to A plus 4 and 16 plus 4 means 20. And 20 minus 4 is 16. Sorry. 20 minus A means 16. 24 minus 4, actually 20. Okay, now come to Java keywords. There are so many keywords is there. That means the list of keywords means Boolean, break statement, switch statement. That we have already done in JavaScript. Break statement, switch statement, case, try catch. These are all of the keywords. Extend. When you show me, tell me what is the when we use extends keyword?
Which keyword, sir?
Extends keyword.
Oh, extends during inheritance.
Yeah,
For
during
a
inheritance
class.
we use. And that implements keyword. That implements keyword we use when we go to the interface. Then we use the interface implementation and implements. Rather than the extents, we use implements in the interface. Suppose we are creating the two classes, then we are using in extend. But if we are using the interfaces, then from that class we are taking the interface, then we will go to implements keyword. Then we will come to the interface. Now come to the control statements in Java. Next topic. Control statement means you already know if else for the file. These are the control statements. So first start with the if statement. The decision making statements. If statement. So it's greater than 20. Basically 22 actually. 22 greater than 20. That is the condition actually. X plus y greater than 20. Okay, just write only here else statement. It is not true, then it means yeah, give the
Okay, bracket is. Oh, why it is showing red syntax error on token?
because you can
Okay, it is not
okay, it
closed.
is not closed.
09 never runs, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 09 never.
Right.
It will be only be 9 or yeah, then it will express as less than 2. It will come to if and then plus. We do the another equation.
We have to make it the same. Can't we rename a name of a class?
Yeah, source refactor. Actually, the refactor is like refactor.
Oh, that's a refactor.
Yes. If strings will be, then if the city will be made good, then what is the city is made? If the city is Noida, else if, then what is the thing? The print city is Noida. After that, in line number 11, if the city is Agra and the city is Agra,
Agra.
then the city is Agra. Otherwise, it will print the V. If the line number, if the Meerut, Noida, and Agra, these three statements will not print, then it will print V.
Oh, what is the shortcut, keyboard shortcut to run program?
Yeah. It will be as zoom the page.
Are you sir? Did you say something?
Yeah, it will be the, no, I'm saying just zoom the page. Actually.
Oh, the page. You right.
Control and class button.
I don't have plus on my keyboard. Okay, yeah. How to remove this one?
Yeah, delete. So, actually,
Yes. Just
2 times count.
yes. So let it be like this. Change it up.
Now come to switch step. That is the switch step. The similar thing we have done first. So Shumant, you are today new.
New. Hello.
Okay, so we have gone through the previous topics, the previous videos.
Actually, Sumit sir, give the links from the WhatsApp message.
Okay.
The previous link, but
you can just go through the from HTML to JavaScript.
okay, I go through the first video only.
Okay. You just
Okay.
go through the step by step. Then first HTML, then CSS, after that JavaScript, and then Java.
Okay.
If any problem, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Okay.
There is an error. Scanner cannot watch. I think we have to take the scanner class.
Okay, we have to import the scanner class. Just line number 40. Just go to the
Scanner.io.star, I guess.
just go to line number 30. Just
Okay.
wording the error, and it will show. No, just wording the scan. Yeah, import that option. Java.utility class.
Okay.
Scanner class means actually here using the input from the user. The name of the leader. Enter the party. First type TMC, yes. Leader is small. And then write BJP.
We need to run it again. Right?
Yeah, you can run it. Yeah, the leader is small. And after that, it comes this. What will happen here? First of all, I am taking string. One string is hello. After that, enter the particular leader, that input, and then I am taking on scanner class. Scanner class is what is scanner class? Actually, scanner class is we are taking the user, the compiler taking the user, taking the input from the user. We are giving the input, that means the TMC, whatever it will be the BJP, whatever it will be the Congress, or whatever it will be nothing. Nothing means it is possible. No one. So whatever the party is, if we write the name of that party, then what will be the accordingly that the leader will come into a field statement. If the hello equals to str, then if it string str equals to new string, it's not next string. So that will be the print. Now, in case of TMC, line number 20, the leader is found. Then we give break. After that, if the case is BJP, then the leader is small. After that, if the case is Congress, then the leader is Sriyagan. After that, it will be the give dog or it will be the no one. Then leader is no. That is the actually the loop is first of all the compiler will say the loop one, that is the TMC loop. The compiler first of all go to the TMC loop. If the TMC loop is okay, then it will print Mamata. Then it will give the break statement. Then it cannot go to the BJP Congress or different. If you remove the break statement, then it will come to Mamata. The loop by loop, there are 3 loops: TMC loop, BJP loop, and Congress loop. And after that, neither. There are 4 loops there. Compiler will understand. That is the point. Another example, just to do this the same example. Okay,
Bracket is
syntax
not
error. Okay, just bracket problem.
okay.
Just write red. It will be in red category. Kolkata, it will be in red category. If you green, orange, and green.
Sir.
Nothing is made because if you
Yeah,
give,
yes,
if you have to give orange. Orange category. If you give that is actually if you give red zone, then it will be Kolkata. It will be green zone, that's for green zone. It will be orange zone, that's for green. And default zone is color. This different location and different colored zone. So basically, what is it is you know, switch and break stuff. Okay, next come to the loop. First of all, for loop. Yeah, do the next one. Yeah, follow. the sum of the first echelon is 15. First of all, it will check 1 to 10, and we are just giving the summation from 1 to 10. And the summation is 15. From 1 to actually from 1 to 9 actually, not 10, because yeah, obviously 10 because it is less than equals. Okay, then 15 it is 1 to 10. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. All the summation of the number is 50. Now come to the for each loop. For each loop is we are representing as an array. And what is array? Array is a collection of elements. Collection of characters.
Okay, it's like this. So your mic is off.
Oh yeah. Okay, just I'm just telling the next is while loop. Let's see the while loop. But while loop actually added the loops. Yeah, here what can just giving the while loop int I equals to 0 I taken, then while loop I less than equals to 10. Then first of all the compiler will go to the loop 0, then it will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Because I have taken only even numbers. In line number 10, I equals to I plus 2. I equals to 0, then 0 plus 2 means 1. 2 plus 2 means 4. 4 plus 2 means 6, 6 plus 2 means 8, and 8 plus 2 means 10. Then it will iterate the loop step by step up to the 10. That is fine. Now come do while loop. In the do block, we are just giving it will be order given, and after that in the while we just will put the condition. So this will be while. Yeah. Into the do while loop. Yeah, next is do while loop. Just send me the chat. The do loop, we are doing the do, we are just giving the statement I plus I plus b will be even number, it will be print, and then while loop, we are giving the statement, giving the conditional statement I less than equals to 10. So it is 0 to 10, 0 to 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, now last come to the continuous statement. The switch and break statement we have done already done. Now come to the continuous statement. Continuous statement means if we don't give the break, if we give the continue keyword, then the loop will continually iterate. Loop will actually run. It will continue running. It will not stop.
So if the loop totally ends, it will still not stop.
Yeah, still not stop. If we give the continue. And break, if you give the break, then the loop will stop. Either method. See, in after the 4, if we give continuous, then it will give 5.
So like this, we can
4,
make an
yeah,
infinite.
4, 6, 8, 10. Will be 0 to 2. Equals to means 4 actually happen, then after the 4, 3, 6, 8, 10. No, actually, it is not the, it is actually wrong. If it is again with the 4. In 0 to 5, actually it will be. it will not come 10.
Just less than 5, j plus plus if j equal to 4.
You save the program.
Is saved.
No, that will be less than equals to 5. It will be. You make one class, first class, then another.
Another class.
Especially clear.
So they paste it here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Now
what
it
was
is-
the problem there?
Problem is, I think your previous example is mixed up with that example. I think
Oh,
somehow.
all right.
That's why it will give the previous one. Yeah, and what will happen if j equals to 4? After the 4, it will 5 less than I less than equals to 2, and then increment, and j less than equals to 5, then increment. Then just go to the top. Okay, what will be the printing pattern? 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. After that, 1, 2, 3, 5. After that, 2, 3, 5. That is the printing pattern. If I continue the step in line number, if j equals to 4, then it will be continued. So that the 4 will not print actually. The 4 will not print. Inside the loop will jump 3 to 5. Actually, the 4 will not
Oh, I mean the loop will start from first, right?
loop will start from first, and in the it will go to the 3 to 5. Actually,
Okay.
in line number 4, it will not stop. It will go to 5, 3 to 5. Continuous statement. Actually, continuous statement does not break the loop. It keeps the specific part of the loop and jump to the next iteration of the loop immediately. That means it will come into the third portion. After that, it will jump to the fifth portion, not 5. That is the continuous statement. Okay, if you give the break statement instead of continue, then see what will happen.
The loop will end in 4.
Yes, the loop will end in the. Yeah, just in the loop will end in the 3. It will not go to the because we break because of the break statement. Okay.
So for a infinite loop, what can you do?
For that,
For an infinite loop, I mean that will run to the end. Infinite.
yeah, I'm giving it an. Let's see while looking in the. Or if you say infinite for loop, also you can do the infinite loop using the for actually. is the one.
Oh, 3 semicolon, right? Hmm. Okay, sir.
Yeah, the actually it will be the infinite loop. Okay, okay, just make the zip file. Yeah, it will be the general archive file, archive file, or it will be say file system also. It will be a file system. Next. Yeah, I will do it.
Okay, sir, I'm sending it in the WhatsApp.
Okay, now stop share. Okay, Poonam, Subhasmita, Suman, and all the programs will send in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, and
sir.
ending this session.